Hi guys, welcome to another video this morning. We're almost there, it's almost Christmas. This is a Dell Latitude 5490 and the battery is not lasting, so I'll show you how to do it. Very simple. You need a Phillips screwdriver, manual or electric like I've got here, and I'll just show you the process on how to change the battery, and also where you can get a decent battery for this device from. So the tools that you need, like I said, is a screwdriver, and you need a little blade, which I haven't got right now, just to prise out from the sides. I might have a spudger tool that can do the trick. Yeah, so something like this, or a thin plastic guitar pick thing that people use as well. Right, so the battery, there is a screw missing there, or is there? Hold on. So this is the cover. Okay, so the screw is that one. So there's screw missing. The actual screw for the battery is actually in the cover, which is good to know. So this should be pretty straightforward, to be honest. Let's have a look. Is there any screws for the battery anywhere? I thought that was a screw there, but that isn't. It's a fairly clean laptop actually. Normally a laptop with this age, you think there'll be loads of dust everywhere and so on, but there isn't. It looks pretty clean. So the battery is basically, there is one screw here which isn't even screwed in, which is strange. Okay, anyway, the actual connector for the battery is just there. So it's got a little, if you look at it, it's got like a little plastic pull-up tab, which you can get your finger on it and just pull it, I think. Let's have a look. There you go. Pull it off. And there you are. So I think this will come out. I don't think the new battery comes with this particular cable connection. So let's have a look. I've got another battery here. Okay, now you can see, you look in the link below and you'll see where I got the battery from, and you can order accordingly. It is a pretty decent brand. I've used them in the past. Yeah, so just remember, you've got to order. That's the type, that's the wattage, and those are the things that you'll be mindful of. Okay, make sure the model is exactly the same. Okay, so as I said, the new battery does not come with that cable. Okay, I'm just going to move the laptop out the way for a moment while we are taking the cable off. So the cable, I would do it in the same way, so you don't get confused. Okay, now there is a right way around. So if you look at the cable, it's just there. So you just push that out from one either side. Okay, you might have plastic tab. You just pull it out. Actually, there you go. Pull it out. Okay, push it back into the other battery, and okay, that's all good. Make sure they are underneath the plastic lugs, which are there to retain the cable so that doesn't pop out. Okay, this is just some protection film which you can remove. Always satisfying. And you need to dispose of this properly. You can't just chuck it in the bin. You need to take it to your recycling place. When you take your rubbish, they'll have a place to put it in there. And again, when you put the new battery in its place, you've got these plastic lugs that stick out, which retain the connector, the cable. So it's always nice and snug. Okay, so the battery, this here, I don't know whether that's part of some reason that's not screwing into place. So whether we need to move it around a little bit, I don't know. Yeah, okay, that's done. Push this cable back in and pop in the connector. And I'm going to fire it up now. Let's see what happens. And there you go. Okay, it's all lit up. You will see the Dell logo now. Okay, so hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe. I've had nearly 400,000 views, and there's only 900 subscribers approximately. I need more to keep this channel going really, and start making a bit of revenue out of it as well. You know, it just keeps us more interested in making videos and so on. But yeah, now I will charge the battery fully. So I will do it fully, run it down. Well, the customer will do it. They'll charge the battery fully to 100%, run it down to about, I don't know, 5%, and then fully charge it again, and do that 3 times, and that optimizes the battery life, and we should have good use out of that battery for many a year. Okay, well, thank you for watching. See you on the next one.